Hi, we give this demo from a partner community and we work directly on the opportunity. Obviously, you can work with this on the customer community, partner community. You can work with this in a very easy setup community like this one, which comes out of the box, or with a community that is completely customized with Visual Force or Lightning Web components. So all of that can be done. We have a component here for the embedded sign. So this is actually starting from a flow, which makes it easy if you want to integrate it into a flow. But obviously, if you want to start it from a button or any other component, that's perfectly possible as well. So it's an opportunity, but it can be a contract, it can be a custom object, it can be anywhere coming from Salesforce that you can start, or any custom page where you can start this process. If I click the next button, now the system will actually take the information coming from this opportunity and then create a document and then also create the sign request in real time. It will then um, pass on the URL for the sign request and redirect the browsers to that. So I'm going to click the next button. You see now that it's going to be preparing my signing session. And when the signing session is prepared, it's going to immediately forward to the sign butler. So on the sign butler, I can actually take a look at the document now, but we all know how that works. And then I'm going to go for the signing. When the signing is done, it will show a message that it will redirect you back. You will be redirected shortly. This message can be customized, obviously, but now, as you can see, we are redirected back to Salesforce. The stage now of my opportunity is closed won, so best to indicate initially that it was set to negotiation review, because when the opportunity or when the document gets signed, obviously the automation kicks in and will update the opportunity automatically.